welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today, let's check out how to make samosas, a very delicious snack recipe that all of us love to have along with a cup of tea. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, I've taken 2 cups of maida. To this, add half teaspoon of ajwain, half teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of oil. Give it a nice mix using a fork or spoon. Now it's nicely done, so go ahead and add 1/4 cup of water and knead it well. We're looking for a chapati batter consistency. Now we have the proper consistency, so cover it with a wet muslin cloth and let this sit for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the stuffing. To a mixing bowl, I've taken 2 boiled potatoes, mash it a little using a fork. A few chunks in between is perfectly fine. To this, add 1 onion very finely chopped, few coriander leaves chopped, few curry leaves chopped, 2 green chilies chopped, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala and 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes. Give it a nice mix. Now our stuffing is ready. It's been 20 minutes, so let's open and check our dough. It's very soft now. Knead a little and pull out a small portion and make a smooth ball out of it. Now spread it to an oval shape. Cut it into 2 halves this way. Let's now work with one portion. Place some stuffing in the center. Wet the edges with some water and fold it this way. Then seal the samosa like this. Make sure all the edges are well covered. Now we are done with folding the samosa. Likewise, fold all the samosas and keep it ready. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, drop in the samosas and fry in medium flame. It's been 2 minutes and one side is nicely done, so flip it to the other side. Let this again cook for 2 more minutes. Now it's nicely fried and golden brown on all the sides, so let's now remove them. Serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Definitely a perfect snack to enjoy during a weekend, so do try the samosa recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.